Ever wondered what the stock market is all about? Today, we unravel the mystery. The stock market is essentially a massive marketplace where individuals trade shares of companies. Picture a grand auction house, but the items on the block are portions of businesses. Scene script. Suppose there's a particular company that catches your eye, for example, Awesome Tech. It's not as straightforward as strolling up to Awesome Tech's HQ and requesting to buy a share. This is where the stock market steps in. You would visit a stock exchange, an electronic platform where buyers and sellers convene. Here, you could purchase shares of Awesome Tech from someone willing to sell them. Now, you might wonder, why buy shares of a company? The answer lies in the belief in the company's potential to expand and yield profits. The moment you acquire a share of a company, you essentially become a part owner of that business. If Awesome Tech thrives and its value escalates, the value of your shares ascends as well. At this point, you may decide to sell your shares and turn a profit. However, it's crucial to remember that the stock market can be erratic. Much like any marketplace, prices fluctuate based on various factors such as the company's performance, economic conditions, and the overall sentiment of investors. Therefore, it is vital to conduct thorough research and comprehend the risk involved before plunging into the stock market. To summarize, the stock market is a platform for the buying and selling of company shares. It operates like a colossal auction house where pieces of businesses are up for grabs. By investing in the stock market, you're investing in the potential success of those businesses. And there you have it, a basic guide to understanding the stock market. If this video was helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand guides. Thanks for tuning in.